Alright. Bicameral Conference Committee meeting na. Time for magic na naman tong mga buhayang politiko dito. Ano? Tingnan natin kung sino kayo yung may pinakamalaking insertion dito ngayon. Hindi natin alam. So, sana nga mapunta sa tamang dapat may lagay yung budget ng ating Pilipinas. Hindi mapunta dun sa mga buayang mga politiko. Ano? Tingnan ho natin. Pero yun nga, kakastart lang nitong meeting nila. Pero parang sobrang init ng ulo na. Ano kayang dahilan dito? Kasi baka matakot silang konti na lang yung magic, no? Kasi medyo alert yung mga senador natin ngayon eh. Panoorin na natin to, yung starting point nila.
For today?
Just a quick response to Senator Kiko. We appreciate it and we understand po when we were informed about it earlier today. We understood the situation and we were ready. We readily gave our acceptance, approval of the proposal. So on the part of the House, thank you po for giving us some time also to do a huddle for about an hour that further delay the proceedings. We appreciate the understanding of our colleagues in the Senate, and we're looking forward to proceeding with the rest of the meeting for today. Thank you.
Right, thank you, Chairperson.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
Madam Chair, I have a manifestation and observation. While we were having a picture right there, can you flash the title of this bicameral committee? Because it says there, bicameral conference committee on disagreeing votes. Huh? How can there be a disagreeing votes? See? So it seems to be not in the proper English language nor the context that we have. How can there be? There are many concurrences that we have. So provisions, because the procedure is, conflicting provisions, because the procedure is original, is exclusive, it will exclusively originate in the House. So we have the original provisions. And then the Constitution, Article 6, the legislature, Section 24 says, but the Senate may propose or concur with...
Parang takot na silang pag may sabing disagreeing ba? Baka hindi ma-agree yung mga nila, no? Yung mga insertion nila. Pero para sa akin, ang punto dito is Bicameral Conference Committee on the Disagreeing. So ibig sabihin, nandyan kayo para yung mga hindi siguro sang-ayon doon or sa mga adjustment dyan sa mga budget nyo, mapag-usapan nyo dyan ngayon, di ba? Para mag-agree kayong lahat. Alangan naman kung agree kayong lahat, wala na kayong BICAM meeting dyan, di ba? So wala nang bicameral conference committee meeting. Kaya nga andyan kayo para resolban ninyo yung mga hindi kayo nag-agree doon sa mga budget na pag-uusapan nyo ngayon. Example, kung sobrang laki lang yun, so nag-disagree kayo, so ma-resolve nyo. Ano bang problema nito? Parang sobrang...
So you have your amendments, we can see them, and so these are the amendatory provisions. So we cannot have disagreeing votes. How can we have disagreeing votes?
We have not voted yet.
We have not even voted when we start. How can that be? So this is wrong English. I suggest we put the disagreeing provisions because...
Kaya nga, nag-ano kayo dyan, nagmi-meeting kayo para ma-resolve nga ang mga disagreeing votes nyo. So kung ano man yung hindi magkakonect, hindi magkatugma yung mga utak ninyo, so ma-resolve nyo. Di ba? I think kung mayroong mali dito, Committee on the Disagreeing Votes. Kaya nga may Bicameral Conference Committee para yung hindi yung mga amendments nyo na hindi magkatugma ay di mabigyan nyo ng solusyon. ganun lang yan, di ba?
From the original, we have now the amendatory. How can there be disagreeing votes?
Parang takot na tong mga taong to eh. Takot. Parang takot na sila baka hindi maaprubahan yung mga amendments nila. Opinion lang ho natin to ha.
Thank you for that, Congressman Rufus. I was just conferring with the Senate Secretariat. The explanation to me is because we're tackling the House bill, and there's only one bill that we are tackling today, which is the General Appropriations Bill. That's why the correct term, or the term that should be used, is votes instead of disagreeing provisions, because there's no other bill that are being discussed. So there's only one bill. So, but just to move
Yan
on.
ba? Ito na naman oh. Naglagay kayo dyan, dapat panindigan nyo yan. Hindi, yan yung problema dyan. Oh, di ba? Kakastart nyo pa lang dyan, kahit nga lang dito sa mga maliliit na dapat i-explain nyo bakit yan yung nilagay nyo dyan. Oh, di ba? Ano bang rason?
Forward with this, and I acknowledge your comments on this. We are requiring the Secretariat to look into this matter and again do some more research on the previous bicameral conference committee on what terminologies that they used.
Mr. Chairman, irrespective of the previous ones, if it's wrong, it's wrong. And it is true, the other bicameral conference committees are about two bills passed by the House and passed by the Senate. That's fine. So, however, even in this particular instance, House Bill 4058 originates from the House. So we have the original provisions. And then you discuss it, and you have under the Constitution, the provisions to amend it, either concur or amend. So I think we should change this, because those reading us, disagreeing votes, how can we have that, Mr. Chairman? So I hope that we change it now, so that we are disagreeing provisions of the House Bill number 4058, original and amendatory provision. There are no insertions from the Senate. That's why people say they were inserted by the senators. No, the senators are amending it or concurring with it. It's only in the BICAM where there can be insertions. And so the Senate is doing its job, and it is really amendments under the Constitution. So let us be able to change that, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Correct. Well, let me direct the committee secretary to just remove this cover page for now. I think that's a better compromise moving.
Yun yung problema dyan. Panindigan nyo yan dyan. But dahil sinabi nitong isang kongresista, tanggalin nyo na kaagad. Explain your your side. Bakit yan yung ginawa nyong title? Ayan yun. Galit-galitan lang nitong isa. Wala na. Umiba na yung mood ng Walang sobrang defensive naman. So, yan. Kakasimula pa lang yan. Yeah. So, yan lang muna. Gawa tayo ng next kung ano pa yung next natin dito, makukuha natin dito.